Volcanic activity worldwide. The 23rd of November 2021, Etna volcano. Vulcano, Fuego, Karimsky, Popocatépetl, Ibu. In the past weeks, Etna has been more or less calm. Today, small intermittent explosions resumed at the northeast crater. The Volcano Observatory in Catania INGV reported. According to a report, these explosions began at 11:16 a.m. local time and have been producing small ash plumes that dispersed quickly in the area of the summit craters. Volcanic tremor shows no significant variations and remains at low to medium levels. Apart from this, the Bocca Nuova seems to be the most active crater at the moment, producing dense steam plumes with some pulsating activity, as can be seen in the image attached. The volcanic unrest on the small island has increased, and the scenario of new volcanic activity is considered to be more likely now. As a response, the Sicilian government's civil defense unit decided to raise the alert level of the volcano from yellow to orange and declared the state of crisis and regional emergency for the island of Vulcano, in order to activate a range of measures aimed at protecting the population potentially threatened by volcanic hazards in case of volcanic. The 23rd of November explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Darwin warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 8,000 feet, 2,400 meters altitude or flight level 080, and is moving at 10 knots in W direction. The 22nd of November Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington. The 23rd of November explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 25,000 feet 7,600 meters altitude or flight level 250. Explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 15,000 feet 4,600 meters altitude or flight level 150. The 23rd of November explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 19,000 feet 5,800 meters altitude or FL. Explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 20,000 feet 6,100 meters altitude or flight level 200. The 23rd of November explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Washington warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 15,000 feet 4,600 meters altitude or flight level 150. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Buenos Aires. Explosive activity continues. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center Buenos Aires warned about a volcanic ash plume that rose up to estimated 14,000 feet 4,300 altitude or flight level 140 and is moving at 10 knots in SE direction.